Welcome to the Fluid Power Forum, a podcast of the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host on the CONEXPO floor, Ben.Brown, and I'm here to interview interesting people who are moving fluid power technology forward at the 2026 CONEXPO CONEG trade show. Here with me now is Ben.Holter from Husco to talk about his CONEXPO CONEG experience, as well as what his company is exhibiting and the value that it brings to you, the listener. Thanks for joining me today, Ben. How's your CONEXPO experience going so far?
Hey, yeah, it's going great. It's busy, keeping the foot traffic going through. The weather's great. Lots of people to meet, lots of old friends, new friends, customers, suppliers, competitors, everywhere in between. It's a great show.
It's a great time, and great on the weather too. From Wisconsin, this is a good midpoint for us. Not overwhelming, but very nice. But what are some of the things that you've seen here, some of the products, some of the innovations that apply to fluid power that are interesting to you, interesting to the listeners, that you think are worth talking about?
Yeah. From the outside standpoint, there's a lot of big machines, a lot of little machines. I think the compact market is really growing, which is really driving new needs for the hydraulic industry, new capabilities, and suppliers such as Husco are able to fulfill those needs. And so it's really great to see the new product that's out there and how we can fulfill that and how we can move the world forward.
Yeah, and it's been exciting to see over time, too. Things are getting smaller and smaller, these systems, so just keeping on top of all that and seeing the force density increase has been very exciting. All right, so let's kind of zoom in on Husco a little bit more here. Can you walk us through your exhibit? What did your company bring? What do you guys have to show off here?
Yeah, we've got our largest booth here we've ever shown at CONEXPO, showing off a lot of our really great new product. We've got 3 new products that are extremely small, helping out with the compact market, helping out with electrification on the market. And then also we've got our steer-by-wire system called GenSteer, which is a finalist award, really moving the industry forward by making a cost-acceptable steer-by-wire experience to really enable the software-defined vehicle for our customers, for machinery manufacturers, to enable automation, to enable better operator feel, better operator comfort all in a machine.
Yeah, and can you walk the listeners through that a little bit? What does this mean, basically?
Yeah, the software-defined vehicle really allows the end machine manufacturer to define their vehicle by software. I know it sounds funny, but it allows them to change features without having to change hardware. So GenSteer, our steer-by-wire platform, allows the industry to move forward by having a steer-by-wire platform that's cost acceptable, but what Husco really brings to the market with GenSteer is the world's first steer-by-wire system that does not need a ton of redundant batteries, controllers, and other things. GenSteer is safety you can generate yourself. What that means is that our steer-by-wire unit turns a motor into a generator in a failure mode to still provide power to steering to turn the machine. So we get fail functional capability. We get the same safety you have with an orbital today, we get with steer-by-wire at a fraction of the cost. So that's bringing new things to the market at a cost acceptable level. So we're not only taking the technology forward, but also helping with the cost reductions that our market really wants right now to help ease the operator moving forward.
Well, that sounds like a lot of good things in one single product that you have coming out here. All just fundamental to just making the OEMs happy, making the customers happy, and just making this equipment run as well as possible. You did mention a few other types of products. Can you give 1 or 2 examples of that?
Yeah, great question. So a lot of what we see moving the industry forward is electronification of hydraulics. As people want to remote control, as people want to augment control, as people want to make operator selection and operator use easier, electrifying the main valve enables that. Now you can change the features, you can change the sensitivity, all of that through our products, whether it's the world's smallest electroproportional valve called our M-series valve, or a spool position sensor to get feedback so we can get very precise control, or our MX7 valve or our MX7 family, which allows for compensated valve all the way from 70 liters a minute all the way up to 250 liters a minute, all in the same family, really making sure that we have the right product for the right application at the right cost for all of our customers.
Sounds like you're covering a lot of bases there. Where can our listeners go to learn a little bit more about your company and your products?
Yeah, find us at husco.com. Search for us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or reach out to one of our engineers. We're always happy to talk to you guys.
Sounds great. Thank you very much again, Ben, for taking the time.
Absolutely. Thank you.
That's going to wrap things up for this mini episode of the Fluid Power Forum podcast. Make sure you subscribe to our show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or any of the other podcasting services. And leave a review. It makes a huge difference for us, and it helps us continue growing the show. Also, remember to follow us on LinkedIn at the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host, Ben Brown, reminding you to join us next time in the forum.